Hi, I'm Louise, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make polymer clay earrings. If you like the final product, you can find them on my website, bennyluz.com. Once I rolled out all of the colors, I'm just going to start cutting them. They don't have to be equal pieces. Actually, it's even better if they're not. I hope that you like this kind of videos, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of my next crafts. Now that I have the final slab of polymer clay, I can just start cutting it using my cookie cutters. Unfortunately, it's not the most satisfying pool of excess clay, but it is what it is. Now, using a very sharp cutter, I'm just going to trace lines on the bottom part of the earrings. This is going to make them look more fanned out. And once they're done, you just have to bake them. Each clay is different, so make sure you follow the directions on your polymer clay package. I hope that you like these earrings, and you'll check out my website bennyluz.com, and there you'll find even more earrings to choose from. Bye!